So, what animal you like? Can you tell me for the 4? Do you like them all? And have what? Oh, you love them all. Okay. So, do you want to know how to say their Chinese name? Okay. 好, let's start from this one. Okay. Huh? So this one in Chinese, you can say its Chinese name is Gou. Very good pronunciation. Gou. So can you tell me what's this? What is animal in Chinese? Very good. Wow. Very good memory. Okay, can you tell me what's this animal? Woof, 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 woof. What is this animal? Yeah, very good. So since you did a very good job, Jasmine, I will give you 1 star for praise. Okay? Okay, so what's next? I think, do you like this one? That's one. Do you? Okay, so for East Chinese, it's good. Okay, so now for this Chinese name is 兔子. Can you read that? 兔子. Wow, well, you have very good pronunciation. Okay, can you tell me what's this animal? I'm jumping. What's this animal? Yes, can you tell me what's the Chinese name? Do you remember? 兔子. That's right. Okay, what's this animal? What's this animal? Very good, 很好, very good. Okay, so I'll give you 1 more star for praise. How many stars you have in Chinese? That's right! This is a little star! Wow, you sing very good! I think I like your song. Okay, so if you did a very good job, I'll give you more stars, okay? So let's see next animal. I think this animal. Oh, wow, it's very big. That's right. You see, if you want this animal, her Chinese name is Hóuzi. Wow, good. Hóuzi. Okay, can you tell me what this animal? Very good. 好. Okay, so let's see next. I think this one. It's a pig, right? And this one, the Chinese name is 猪. Where is it? 猪. 好. Okay, I need to check you if you remember them all. I will give you the animal, show you the animal. You tell me their Chinese name. Okay. What this animal? How about this? 兔子. That's right. Okay. How about this animal? Hóuzi. Oh, how about this one? 猪. That's right. 好. 好 okay, so I still need to check. How about this one? What is animal? The Chinese name? Tooth. Okay, this one? Hóuzi. Okay, this one? 猪. How about this one? Oh, Hóuzi. Yes, this one? You remember them good. Okay. 1 star for you. Can I get 1 star for you? Can I get 1 star? Oh, thank you very much. I get 1 star. Okay.
Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Leave your comments below to tell us what topics you want to learn next. Don't forget to click down below to subscribe to our channel. We have new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching and see you next time. 再见。